Okay, in this lesson we're talking about autofill. Autofill allows you to copy patterns from one cell to another, which saves you time. So an example might be you have a calculation in one cell that needs to be in every cell of the column. You don't want to spend a ton of time to hand type it out in each individual cell. That would be crazy. So to illustrate this, in the autofill tab of your sample file, you'll see a few things. You'll see numbers, times, months, days, and dates. These are all patterns that Excel understands. So as the first example, in numbers, you could type out product 1, product 2, product 3 if you wanted to follow a pattern like that that had a number inside of it. But you don't want to do that. What you'll see is what you can do is just in the bottom right corner of that first cell, you'll see a cross that appears. You'll just drag that down for as far as you want the pattern to go, and Excel will do the work for you. And when it comes to time, now that we already have data in our numbers column, we don't even have to drag and drop time. We can just double click the bottom right corner of that cell and it'll go all the way down for us just as far as we've gone with the column on the left. We'll do the same for months, days, and dates. It's crazy how frequently you'll use this and how simple it is. I think this is going to be one of the most valuable skills that you'll pick up. Now, one of the things that I want to show you on the full date here is in the bottom right corner, after you've double clicked on the first cell, you'll see an autofill options button appear. If you click that, you can do a couple different things. You can just copy the cells if you don't want the pattern to follow all the way through the bottom. You can also, instead of filling by days like we originally did, you can fill by weekdays, months, and years. You get to decide what pattern Excel follows because it understands these full dates. So if we fill by years, the months and the days don't change. The pattern is the years. And the same thing with weekdays. I think you'll find instances where this will really come in handy.